Hey, good morning, Natalie. Sorry, I know, isn't that crazy how things can just be so unclear when you're trying to explain things in writing? I should have just made a video to begin with. This attendance and grades, I mean, if I can figure out how to do what I'm trying to do, I probably can get for each of these students attendance quiz and homework and participation grade put over on each of these. I don't have that there right now. This right here these are just sheets for their IEP goals. Um, these are these are actually just for their standards kind of thing. What I'm wanting to do is just fill in the date that we do it and any notes that I write. So this would be my primary sheet right here where let's say that we did this initial essential standard today, 21517, and students were able to identify matter and non-matter. And so let's say those are my notes. It's always kind of a bummer when text wrapping doesn't work on its own. So I would want for those notes that I typed in, or I guess I could say student was able, because if I'm gonna, student was able to identify matter and non-matter. So if I was gonna enter that note, then I would want that note to go on all of the B students. So like here's all the B students down here at the bottom. So all of those students, I'd want that note to go on. And then I would have here another, so this would be primary C. And I would just have this same group of standards here, and it would be the exact same thing, so it'd just be I don't know if that looks right, but in essence, yeah, I would just be putting the notes on one page and having them fill on the other pages. So I don't know if that makes sense. And then if I know how to set that up, then I can also go back and throw in attendance, quiz, homework, and participation categories as well. So figuring once I figure out how to do it for one thing, like putting in the date in that, then I can probably, add their grades as well. So